You never really truly realize until it's gone how much your hair actually defines you as a person and your personality and like literally everything about you. Because to me before I was like, okay, whatever, it's just hair. Like it never, I just never thought about it. But then when my boyfriend and I were on a Europe trip and we went to Germany and we went to a concentration camp.
Yeah.
And then they started talking about how they shaved everybody's heads and they were, that was the thing.
To depersonalize.
To depersonalize, but they used dehumanize.
Yeah.
And I just burst into tears. Because it's such a true thing, and it just hit me and I started bawling because like it is true, because that's exactly how I felt. It was like you're just gone.
Yeah.
And it's just a weird concept, like how hair and the color and everything, like it's just weird. Because I've seen bald people before and I'm like, oh, you still look like you. But then being the one going through it, you're like, whoa.
Right. And well, and it's also, as you were saying too, this is new for you. Like her and I have been bald for so long that for a while it was something that defined me. My hair defined me, and then for a while my baldness defined me, and now I define me. And that's decades of knowing who you are, and the people around you knowing who you are, and being comfortable with that person. And I don't think anyone should assume that you should come to that conclusion immediately.